Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Fractals adjustable period trend lines indicator. Okay, so let's start by adding the indicator to the chart. Alright, so basically the Fractals adjustable period trend lines indicator is a tool that is designed to automatically draw trend lines based on fractal points. Right, as you can see, the trend lines are based on fractal points, right? So it helps traders to identify structure, support, and resistance without manually plotting the lines, right? So to understand how it works, you first need to know that fractals, you need to know what fractals are. Okay, in trading, fractals mark local highs and lows, right? They are points where price changes direction. Okay, these points are important because they represent areas where the market has previously reacted. So this indicator takes those fractal points and connects them to form trend lines, right? So instead of guessing where to draw your trend lines, the indicator does it for you based on actual price behavior. This makes it especially useful for beginners or traders who want a cleaner chart. One of its most powerful features is the ability to display trend lines from higher time frames directly on your current chart. All right. So you can see in the settings, time frame, you can see current, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, and all of that, right? So feel free to modify the settings according to how you want the indicator to function. All right. So now, as you can see, the trend lines act as dynamic support and resistance levels. You can see here dynamic support, here dynamic resistance, right? When price approaches a bullish trend line, traders look for potential buying opportunities. When price approaches a bearish trend line, traders, of course, look for selling opportunities. So the indicator also helps identify market conditions. If price is respecting an upward trend, right? If price is actually respecting upward trend lines, it suggests a bullish environment. And then if you notice that price is consistently respecting a downward trend, it indicates bearish pressure. Of course, you just want to trade in the direction of the prevailing momentum. However, like any tool, it works best with confirmation. Traders often combine it with price action signals, candlestick patterns, or other indicators before making decisions. All right. So in simple terms, this indicator helps you visualize market structure clearly, align with higher time frame trends, and make more informed entry decisions based on real price reactions. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.